Hi guys, in this video I'm going to break down sketches, wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. Those are really powerful visual tools that help you present your solution to an audience. But what's the difference and how do you use them? I always associate sketches with that romantic scene in a coffee shop somewhere in Silicon Valley where you're passionately talking about your idea to someone and then you sketch it out on a napkin. Sketches can be really useful at early stages when you're just trying to communicate your vision, your idea to someone in real time and usually in a pretty casual setting. But very often I find that sketches don't get into the actual user experience. Wireframes help you think about the structure and the key components of your solution. And it's a very analytical approach, which is probably why I like it. You first think about the core and the fundamental user journeys that your solution offers, and then for each step you create screens or wireframes. And really it helps you to validate that general approach that you have to solving a particular user problem. Before you sit down and map out your wireframes or user journeys, you really need to understand the end user objectives. Not someone's personal dreams and aspirations, but the real objectives, goals, and needs of the end users. After that, you can balance it with the business objectives and potentially the revenue model or the ROI that the solution needs to bring. I would use mockups when I need to communicate the solution to a specific audience, like a sales pitch or an investment pitch. So if you think of wireframes as the blueprint of the house, think of the mockups as the display house that you show off to its potential buyers. Therefore, mockups will look nicer than wireframes, but they'll focus less on the user experience itself. Instead, the mockups will focus on the core value proposition that the product has. Therefore, you need to have a really clear understanding of what the ultimate value add of the solution is before you create the mockups. Now, prototypes are all about simulating the user experience. It's like you're letting the end user take the product on a test drive. This means that the user can click on things and actually go down that user journey. Prototypes can help you validate the usability, but also the technical feasibility of your design. As you're showing your prototypes to end users, the key is to make observations and learn, not to lead the user to help you validate your assumptions. If you watched my first UX design series video, you'll know that that's actually the fundamental principle in user experience research. So that was my overview of sketches, wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, please let me know what you think in comments below.